So hey guys, if you also facing this kind of issue in your WhatsApp where it is written you have sent thousand new chat messages this month. Basically friends, this is a new update of WhatsApp where you can send in a month only 1000 new chat messages. And if you want to fix this issue in your WhatsApp, you have to follow two methods. In our first method, you have to open any browser and here search Aditya Gyan. As you search, you have to tap on the first website and here. And guys, in this website, simply you have to tap on the search icon and here you have to search WhatsApp message limit. Simply friends, then tap on search option and after then this kind of post will be open. You have to tap on this post. After then scroll down your page like I'm scrolling and here you will get to see a option of like friends, you can see here you will get to see option of older WhatsApp version. So friends, if you want to fix this issue of message limit, you can use the older WhatsApp version because guys, in the older version this update is not available and many users also fix this issue by using the older version of WhatsApp. Basically you have to uninstall the current version and then install the older version by tapping on this option and then simply simply make the backup of all your chat in that older version WhatsApp. And friends, in our second method, you have to tap on your WhatsApp application and then tap on the app info here. Scroll down your page and you will get to see option of clear data. Just for example, tap on this clear data option like here you will get to see option of clear cache. So guys, you just have to tap on the clear cache option. Don't tap on the manage space or completely clear data option. So if you see this kind of option, you have to tap on the only clear cache option. Don't tap on the clear data option, because if you selected the clear data completely or manage space, then all your chat also will be deleted. And friends, if this option is not showing here, you can also choose the storage option, which where you can like see tap on storage option. You will see this kind of cache and in some phones clear cache is also available. If clear cache is not showing, you have to tap on the clear data and you will see clear cache. Tap on this option. And friends, if you follow these steps, you can fix your issue. And if your issue is not fixing, then friends, I will recommend you have to use the WhatsApp business application, because if you are sending 1000 new chats or messages, then it is better to use WhatsApp business rather than the normal WhatsApp. I hope friends this video helps you, and if you have any questions or doubt, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to our channel to get more interesting and informative videos like this.